Herbs have been used for centuries to address countless ailments, each possessing unique properties and actions that make them invaluable in natural medicine. However, modern herbalism often simplifies these actions into broad categories like anti-inflammatory or carminative, leaving critical context unexplained. This can lead to the misuse or underutilization of herbs, ultimately reducing their effectiveness or even causing unintended harm. To use herbs responsibly and effectively, it is essential to delve deeper into how herbal actions work, understand their best methods of preparation, and recognize the complexities of human physiology. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. What herbal actions mean and don't mean. Herbal actions are labels that describe a plant's general effect on the body. For instance, anti-inflammatory refers to the ability to reduce inflammation, while adaptogenic implies support for the body's stress response. These terms serve as a starting point, but they do not provide the full picture of how, when, and why to use a specific herb. Anti-inflammatory does not explain how, where, and in what way an herb works on inflammation, and some adaptogenics, if used incorrectly, can actually make the body's stress levels go up, not down. A key challenge is that many lists and books lump herbs into these categories without distinguishing between their methods of action, best applications, or appropriate preparations. For example, calendula is often listed as an anti-inflammatory, which is accurate. However, its anti-inflammatory properties are most effective when applied topically to skin irritations, wounds, or rashes. Using calendula internally for inflammation may not provide the desired results. Turmeric is another popular anti-inflammatory, but its benefits are primarily realized internally, often as a decoction or in capsules combined with black pepper and fat for enhanced absorption. Using it topically may have minimal effect. Recognizing the context of an herb's action ensures it is applied appropriately and avoids overgeneralizations that can lead to poor results. Preparation matters. How an herb is prepared significantly influences its effectiveness. Some constituents are water-soluble, making teas or infusions the ideal method, while others require alcohol extraction or even fat for proper absorption. Misunderstanding preparation methods can render an herb's properties ineffective or inaccessible. Adaptogens like holy basil, tulsi, and ashwagandha are often used for stress and adrenal support. While holy basil works wonderfully as a tea, ashwagandha's active compounds, with analydes, are better extracted in alcohol or fat, making tinctures or capsules the preferred forms. Comfrey is renowned for its ability to support wound healing and reduce inflammation. However, its internal use is controversial due to pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which can damage the liver. Comfrey is best applied topically as a salve or poultice. Taking the time to research and understand the best preparation method for a specific herb ensures its properties are delivered in the most effective way. Misinterpretations of herbal actions. Generalized herbal actions can also lead to misinterpretations, where herbs in the same category are treated as interchangeable. However, each herb has unique properties and potential side effects that make it suitable for certain situations, but not others. Consider these examples. Both peppermint and chamomile are carminatives, meaning they can help alleviate digestive discomfort. However, peppermint's cooling and stimulating nature may aggravate acid reflux, while chamomile's calming properties are gentler and more appropriate for sensitive stomachs. Yarrow is often listed as a styptic, stops bleeding, but internally, it can stimulate blood flow during menstruation. This dual action means yarrow is not always appropriate for conditions where bleeding must be strictly controlled. These nuances highlight the importance of looking beyond broad categorizations and considering an herb's energetics, specific properties, and intended application. Getting to know your herbs better. Using herbs effectively requires more than memorizing their actions. It involves a deep understanding of their nature, the body systems they affect, and the conditions they address. Here are some strategies to enhance your knowledge and application. Understand the body's systems. Herbal remedies work best when paired with a basic understanding of human physiology, knowing which body system is involved in an ailment. Examples of this could be the digestive system for bloating, or the respiratory system for coughs, helps you choose herbs that directly support that system. And many times, more than one body system needs to be considered. Most times, it is best to review all body systems for symptoms prior to using any herbal remedy. Identify the underlying cause. Symptoms often have deeper causes. For example, treating a headache with herbs like feverfew or peppermint may provide relief, but understanding whether the headache is due to stress, dehydration, or hormonal imbalance can guide a more comprehensive approach. Explore in-depth references. Invest in well-researched herbal books that go beyond simplified lists. Some excellent resources include The Herbal Medicine Maker's Handbook by James Green, Medical Herbalism by David Hoffman, or Adaptogens, Herbs for Strength, Stamina, and Stress Relief by David Winston. Online courses from reputable herbalists can provide structured, in-depth education. Also, look to your local college or university. Oftentimes, you can take courses specific to your goals for much less than a full online course. I know that my local college offers botany classes for regional plants and includes herbal teaching as well. Experiment safely. Start with small doses to see how your body responds. Keep a journal to track results and refine your approach. Learn from tradition. Many traditional systems of medicine, such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, offer valuable insights into how herbs have been used effectively for centuries. Engage with the herbal community. Join local or online herbalist groups to exchange knowledge and experiences. Learning from others' successes and mistakes can accelerate your understanding. Responsible use of herbal remedies. Herbal remedies are powerful tools, but they come with responsibilities. Misusing herbs, whether through ignorance or overconfidence, can lead to ineffective treatment or unintended side effects. Here are some guidelines for responsible use. Research thoroughly. Always consult multiple sources to confirm an herb's properties, uses, and potential contraindications. Start small. Begin with the lowest effective dose and monitor for any adverse reactions. Know your source. Ensure the quality and purity of the herbs you use, whether they are grown at home or purchased. Contaminated or poorly processed herbs can diminish their effectiveness or cause harm. Consider professional guidance. If in doubt, consult a trained herbalist or naturopath who can provide personalized advice based on your health history. Understanding herbal actions is just the beginning of effective herbalism. By considering the context, preparation methods, and unique properties of each herb, you can unlock their full potential while avoiding common pitfalls. Paired with a foundational knowledge of the body's systems and a commitment to responsible use, herbs can become a safe and powerful ally in promoting health and wellness. Dive deeper into your studies, seek out reputable references, and always approach herbal remedies with curiosity, respect, and care.